Welcome back muli sa atin live. This is the semi-final game between the LaSalle Green Hills versus the Claret School QC. Ayan, congratulations to our Savior School. At sila po ang nanalo kanina sa ating laban between the All Ops SC. And the first ball, makakuha. Pass. Sam. Steal. Comes to Claret. Pass number 20.
Nice one.
See, one pass.
5-1. Hey.
Bounce.
Box.
Number 9, pass number 1, 4-3. No, rebound. Sam, no good. Cacho, by the basket. First basket para jersey number 1 ng LaSalle Green Hills.
Love. What's up?
Number 22, no, rebound by Paras. Pass to Somchi. Samuel. It's a foul. That's a 3, no. Rebound. Number 9, using the glass. Basket is good. No. Rebound by Sam. Out that pass.
Sabi ko bawal ganyan pasa. Bawi. Hey.
Claret School basketball. Steal by Sam. Drop pass. Somchi. No. Rebound. Somchi again. Ooh. Shots para kay Samuel. Somchi. Second shot is good. Substitution.
Gap, Cacho. Pressure. Gap.
Steal. Number 72. Too strong. Somchi. Number 9. Pass to Cancho. From elbow 3. No. Number 72. Pass to Paras. Relax daw muna, sabi ni coach. Shooting on the line at jersey number 6, Sam Paras.
A-half, A-half.
Some basket.
Hey, gap, Cacho, Tio. Gap nyo, ha?
6-0 ang ating talaan.
Go! On the ball, pressure, on the ball. Pressure down! Gap, gap, gap. Wala ha?
Steal. 3 against 2. Number 9, drop pass. Cacho. Basket. Uy. Steal. Somchi. Whoa. Timeout. Claret School, QC. Time remaining 5 minutes and 51 seconds.
Focus tayo sa team. Passes tayo. Thank you. Passes.
Tignan natin ang hadal ng ating team.
Laking bola to eh. Hiraman talaga eh. Hinirap na to.
Alright, back to the ball game. 10-0 ang ating talaan. Lamang ang ating team. Art School Basketball.
Okay na lang tayo. Pressure man. No pressure, no foul. No foul. No foul. Don't
Number
get screen.
4.
Close down.
Number 6, Pin.
Travel.
Gets a foul.
A lang, A lang. Sam, protect the paint. A lang, A. Sabi na lang.
Nice pass,
Close
kick
down.
out. Fake.
Good one, nice D. Nice D.
Number 9, short.
Ooh.
Steal. Out that pass. Ooh. Bad pass. Tired School Basketball. Steal. 4 against 2. Somchi. Basket. Number 72, pass number 9, fade away shot, basket.
George, yan ang Macho.
Ibar coming in for Cacho. Steal by Somchi. Bounce pass. What an extra pass. Oy, basket. Steal by Vibar. Back to Somchi from elbow 3. Number 22. Nabitawan. offensive foul. Substitution, Coronel coming in. And Bote.
Hey, push tayo!
Number 6 shooting on the line. Fresh shot, no good.
Push! Two! Push two!
3 minutes and 7 seconds. Basket. 3-19-1. Isa rin dito ang Claret. Number 45. Basket.
No foul, no foul, no foul. Bukat! Bukat! Ay, bukat!
See. Shooting the line. Jersey number 6. Basket is good.
Down in!
Stop and pump, too strong. Number 45. No, another offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Rebound dito ng mga nakapula. Number 22. Ooh, block from behind. Number 45. Wala. Number 24, no. Pass number 6, floater, wala. Rebound by Bote. Bote, pass to number 2, backdoor pass. Stop and pump, number 45. Basket.
Help ka! Help ka! Gap, 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 gap. Gap! Jordan pressure! Gap! Kaden, gap! Yan!
Foul.
Jacob!
Last 47 seconds. Oh, good. Second shot for number 20. Wala. Rebound. Oh. And a step in on the line. Wala rito ng Claret. Steal. Oh. Ayan na. 2 against 2. What an extra pass. Bote. Kick out. Number 2. Bam. Obligar. Basket. Yes, good. Yeah, shooting the line. Jersey number 24, Wong. Oh, good. Basket para kay number 24.
Last shot, last shot, last shot! Kaden!
Last 14 seconds.
Last one, go! Last shot, last shot! Last shot, score, last shot! Last one, go! Last shot!
Number 24, Bote, pinasa. Tumira, short, rebound. Ayun na, number 9. Oy! Parang hindi counted. Counted ba? Tingnan natin ang ating official. Parang hindi. Tingnan natin kung anong magiging decision nila. Oh, basket is good. Alright, 25-5, end of the first quarter. Tayo na daw na sa ating second quarter.
Press break ha.
Alright, back to the ball game. Second quarter. Let's go.
Gap.
Second quarter.
Oy! Yung lang. Sige, lumon. Pressure. Gap. Hot break.
Catch and shoot. No. Rebound by Bote.
Corner. Malaki na.
Bote. Pass to number 55. And there's a foul. Coronel on the free throw area. Basket. Aray, Coronel. Second shot is good. Number 20. Block. Good defense para kay Bote. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Ayan na. Uy. Out of bound. Last touch. Same ball. Good ball coming in. Bola rito ng Lasal. Bote, pass to number 9. Crossover. Uy, spin. Uy, nakalusot si number 9. That's Guerson. Now, rebound. Number 6, wala pa rin. Rebound by Coronel. Here comes Lasal. Green Hills, pinasa. Fake. Number 9. Pass to Vivar. Vivar, uy, no. Uy, wala. Number 24, basket. Still by number 6. 2 against 2. Number 6. At nakalusot si number 6. Mabasa 20 ang lamang ng Lasal Green Hills. Bote. Oopsie. Galano Tan coming in. Somchi and Bote. Correction, that's Coronel.
Some pressure konti.
Gets a 3. Ooh, 3-point. 29-12 in favor pa rin sa ating Lasal Green Hills. Number 72. Ooh. Steal by Esomchi. 3 against 1. Esomchi, bound pass. Kalanotan. Time out. Claret. What a nice pass. Para kay Sam Esomchi. Time remaining 6 minutes and 43 seconds.
Okay na ako doon. 3 points na yun. Bakit? Ano naman? Kinali yung talaga.
Back to the ball game. Shout out muli kay Matt. Ayun, na-shout out. Bola rito ng Claret.
Pwede switch ha. Wow! Hands up! Hands up lang! Hands up lang! Hoy!
Step back 3, short.
Pull!
Ibon.
Corner! Corner ka! Corner ka!
Paras. Buarzon. Esomchi 4-3. No. Paras. Speed up putback. Tagal pa ang kanyang sapatos doon. Oopsie.
Zipper! 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 Zipper!
Lasal Green Hills Basketball. Sino tatanggap? Pass to Esomchi. Samuel. We reverse layup. No. Rebound by Sam. Oopsie. Last touch. All rito ng Claret. Number 24 gets the 3. No. Rebound. Paras to Esomchi. Esomchi kick out. Cacho 4-3. 3-point para kay Cacho. 36-12. Number 24. To number 23. To number 4. To number 9. Kick out. Uy, naalusot. Offensive rebound by Paras. Pass to Esomchi. Esomchi. Didiskarte. Pass to Cacho. 4-3. No. Uy. Last touch. Substitution. Cruz and Fajardo coming in. Esomchi, strong drive, kick out. 4-3, bam! Point para jersey number 3. 0 rather. Number 22. Oy. Gets a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 22. No good. Second shot. Wala.
Push, corner mix, corner.
Somchi. Guarzon. Pass to Sam sa loob. Spin. Using the glass and that's a foul. Two shot para kay Sam Paras.
Pag-gising.
Basket
Pressure on the ball, ha?
for Paras. Sam.
Cruz! Corner ka! Insert corner ka rin, ha?
Second shot, no. Gets 3, no. Here comes Sam. Ayan na, SOMG. Uy, sayang. Paras, wala pa rin. Gets a foul. Sayang. Sub. Ayan na. Eroles coming in. First shot is no good. Second shot is good.
Stop tayo, ha? Check your man, what's up?
41-12.
Gap.
Number 4. It's a foul.
Go, check your man. Side yun. Hey, wala kang papascreen. Go, Igor.
Steal. Oops. Steal. Sam, 1-on-1. Oy. Somchi with a rebound. Crossover. Somchi is too strong. Rebound by number 22.
Iroles, anong ginagawa mo?
Penalty. The Sal Criminal is under penalty situation. Wala pa pala, sorry. Correction. Bounce pass.
Hands up.
No.
Corner mix, corner. Corner, Igor, corner.
What an extra pass. 4-3. No. Rebound. Sam. Fadeaway shot. Basket. Para kay Sam Paras. It's a foul. Number 44. Fajardo.
Penalty na tayo, no foul.
Time remaining 1 minute and 23 seconds para sa ating first half.
Gap, Iroles.
Gets a foul. Number 10, Eroles.
Justin!
1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. Second shot, number 24. Basket is good. Esomchi. Samuel spin. Pass to Sam. Top of the key. 4-3. No. Rebound ng Claret. Fadeaway shot. Wala. Rebound by number 44. In and out. Esomchi from elbow 3. No. Steal. Esomchi. Setting on the play. 4-3. In and out. Gets a foul. Last 6 seconds.
Free throw break!
Number 9 on the free throw area. So good. Basket. Last 6 seconds. 4, 3. Paras. Esomchi. Oy! Nahabol pa. Esomchi with a putback. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. Official score 45-14. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half. Nakapumunta tayo for the meantime. Maraming pong salamat to all the parents of Las Nala Green Hills for this opportunity and Happy New Year po sa bawat isa. Magbabalik tayo para second half.